Gather your materials and follow along to create this easy treat. You will need Halloween Oreo cookies, candy melts, monster eyes, sprinkles, and treat sticks. I melted my candy and added some purple food coloring. You also want a separate bowl for your sprinkles. I dipped the stick into the candy and added it to the cookies and allowed it to set. Dip the cookie into the candy and then dip into your sprinkles and place on a plate. Add the monster eye to the center. Place them in the freezer to set for about 10 minutes. Serve at your Halloween party or wrap them up and take them to your child's school. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.